If you're thinking about upgrading the air intake system on your muscle car, you should definitely consider a system from K&N. All K&N air intake systems are guaranteed to increase horsepower and torque and come with a 10-year million-mile limited warranty. Check knfilters.com to find the intake system options available for your car. Stock air intake systems often come with unnecessary components that restrict airflow and cause needless turbulence. K&N intake systems replace the full factory intake system with an aerodynamically designed intake tube and components to help increase the amount of airflow that reaches your engine, resulting in increased horsepower and torque. You can typically find your intake in a variety of finishes, including powder coatings, polished aluminum, or roto-molded high-density polyethylene. Your intake also comes with a K&N washable air filter, which provides up to 50% more airflow to your engine over your factory filter, while also shielding your engine against harmful contaminants. These durable filters are designed to last for the life of your vehicle and only need to be serviced every 100,000 miles under normal highway driving conditions. Most intake systems come with a custom heat shield or air box to help isolate the air filter from engine heat. K&N intake systems are easy to install. They mount in the factory air intake location, and most systems reuse factory hardware and mounting locations. For most intakes, you need only basic hand tools, and installation can typically be accomplished in less than 90 minutes. To begin installation, remove the factory air intake components from your vehicle. Next, transfer the reusable factory components to the new intake components. Then, install all of the kit components into the vehicle using the provided hardware and hose clamps, following the provided step-by-step instructions. If you're ready to take your vehicle's performance to the next level, upgrade to superior performance and protection with a K&N air intake system. Check out knfilters.com to find exceptional quality performance products that fit your vehicle.